is 557. So in the set, which will finish with 7 levels is what Korea has achieved several times this year. So nothing fantastic in the eyes of the spectators. But of course it's nice that they make a relatively advanced construction with 2 feet, and they will manage and they will assemble. Just very stable. So kind of gas once, and the second time. Assembled. Now time to bring it down again. I honestly think they have this very much under control, and that we will not see any risk of getting into it. Very good, the yellow one. Very good on 41 feet. Plaza de las